Today is the 29th of April 2022. It's a bit newer than we thought, early 2000s. So at the University of Tampere, tämä forskningsfirma i Finland, Kanslerinrinne.
Yeah.
There are two elevators.
And Pinni B also.
Yeah.
This one.
Ah. Right, interesting wall there.
Yeah.
More built in 2003.
Yeah. It should be of this 2000, much better.
Of course. This number is 16255. It will be inspected this year, 2022. Turning 20 years old in the next year, 2023. The three other ones were replaced by Kone in 2018.
Yeah.
We filmed them also.
Yeah, because Schindler airlift is quite bad in quality.
Yeah, that was the 2013 was maybe originally Schindler left.
Yeah. Yeah.
Probably.
Yes. It's not too really modernization because they are patents. So
Bad quality.
Yeah. Inspected by vice president, maintained by Kone.
See the Nokia Arena.
Yeah.
Not a bad view at all.
Yeah.
Built in 2003. Serial number is 16254. We inspect it in the next year, 2022. Turning 20 years old in the next year, 2023. Lighthouse also. Yeah, that's the part of this campus.
No, but the Pinni A said also lighthouse. This
Yeah.
but this Pinni B also.
Pinni B also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course.
And lighthouse size. It is whole part here and yeah. Okay, yes. Inspected by maintained by Kone. That's